In this video we're going to deal with Trench Lock Roundabout going from Trench Lock Garage all the way round toward the town centre. But before we do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. As we come past Trench Lock Garage, how do we know where we need to go for the town centre? We look on the board on our left. There it tells us that the middle lane is for A442 South and Trench. It's A442 South we want to concentrate on. As we look at the road markings, we can see we have left, middle and right hand lane. So we know we're in the middle lane, and also the road markings say left lane A442 North, but the middle lane A442 South, so that's the one we want. So now it's just a case of following the middle lane round. Looking ahead, we can see 3 lanes, left, middle and right. So we're heading over to that right hand curve. Now as we look at the road sign, it tells us the road coming up on the right is A518, A442 is straight ahead, so we know that road on the right isn't for us. The road markings on the floor confirm A442 is the lane we're in, but now it opens up into more lanes. So we look at the board. It tells us left and middle lane is A442 North. The right hand lane is going to take us to A442 South. So we need to get in the right hand lane. The road markings again confirm right hand lane A442 South. Now we're in the lane, we need to follow it. So that means not crossing the white line on either side of us. What you'll notice is both lanes say A442 South, but we want to use the middle lane as the one that takes us to the town centre. The right lane takes us back towards Trench Lock and Hadley, and I'll explain why later in this video. So we just don't cross that white line that's marked, we follow our lane, and what we'll do for you at this point is highlight that white line. Now we don't want to cross that because, as always, if we're crossing a white line, we're changing lanes. We simply follow this lane round and it will lead us on to the dual carriageway towards the town centre. Now we can use the right hand lane to go the same way, but what it means is it brings you onto the dual carriageway in what's known as the fast lane. So any cars that are going quite quickly will end up undertaking you. We're at this point in the middle lane and we can see the road widens, so we need to look. We've got left, middle and right, so we just stay in the middle lane. The road marking says A442 South, and we know if we follow it, it's going to lead us onto the dual carriageway and off towards Telford Town Centre. Now in part 2 of this video, we're going to deal with going right, 5th exit towards Hadley and Trench Lock, but being in the wrong lane. And the reason for that is we're going to use the same technique we've just looked at in the first part of this video. So we know if we're going right, 5th exit towards Hadley and Trench Lock, then we need to stay in the right hand lane and follow it round. We remember to count our exits. We know Trench on the left there is exit number 3. The dual carriageway is number 4. But the mistake people often make is as they come round, they stay in the right-hand lane. This now allows traffic to come up the inside of us on the left. What do we do if that happens? And at the side of us, we've got vans and traffic, which means we can't come off at this exit, which is for Hadley and Trench Lock. Well, all we do is stay in the right-hand lane and follow it round. Much of what we're about to do relates to what we've just done in part 1 of this video. We know from the sign on the right that we need to go straight ahead and not go off towards the A518. Then as we come down, we've got our sign on the right, which tells us we need the right-hand lane to head back round toward Trench. So we get in the right-hand lane. Now you remember when we just did this in part 1 of our video, we said the middle lane is towards the town centre. The right-hand lane will take you back round towards Trench Lock and Hadley. So at this point, we get into the right-hand lane. And again, we just keep by the right-hand curb and just follow it round. We know that way we're going to be kept in our right-hand lane. So generally it's about this point we encourage our pupils to start signalling right, because the road marking says we can go straight ahead or right. But now we're looking at the road ahead and our lane widens into 2 lanes. So remember, choice of 2 lanes, always left. So if we head over towards the left curb there and the lamppost, it's going to keep us in the correct lane to come off at exit number 5, Trench Lock and Hadley. We hope this has helped. If you want more videos and great insights into driving and passing the driving test, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. My name is Chris, thanks for joining us. Drive safely and we'll see you soon.